All right, let's take a look at some of these assignments. So for Unit 6, we'll start with ratios and proportions. Feel free to watch this video in double speed or something like that, because, I don't know, it might be better, especially all these loading screens. All right, so the first one. You cross multiply, so this will be 8 and n. So you have 8 times n equals 10 and 10. 10 and 10. So you have 8n equals 100. Divide by 8, you get n equals 12.5. So if you do that a little bit faster, 21 and m, 21m equals 84 times 5. This way is 420. Divide by 21. You get 20 is the answer here. That's those. When you have ones where you have to distribute. So here you have 13 and m plus 8 is equal to 52 times 6. So 13m plus 8 times 13 is 104. 52 times 6 is 312. So 312 here. Minus 104. So 13m equals 208. And then divide by 13. So m is 16 here for number 4. Okay, so when you have to set these up like this, what I want you to do is do line equals line. So 1 jar of crushed ginger is $2. So this is the jars, this is the money. So now we want $4, so this is your x here. So cross multiply, 2x equals 4, so x equals 2. So you can get 2 jars. You have a friend named Ming, but it's a guy. So Ming is getting 6 tala for $2. So this is the tala, this is the dollars. So if she exchanges $6, then your x here. So 2x equals 12, x equals 6. Smaller one, so the smaller one is 14, larger one is 21. So 14 over 21, 14 over 21 is 2 over 3. What's that? 11's the same scale factor, so let's do these. The side is 8 inches long, and it's enlarged by a scale factor of 5 over 2. So you just multiply these. 8 times 5 by 2. 20. Okay, on number 14, A is 5, B is 6. So line equals line. Since this one's on the right, these are going to go on top, these two numbers. So 40 matches up with x, 5 matches up with 6. So 5x equals 240. 240 divided by 5 is 48. Dun, 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 dun. Oh. Let's do one more, I guess. So this one's already set up how you want it. 35 over 84 equals x over 156. So you can just do that. So with this one, you'll do 18 divided by x equals 42 divided by 7. So that's what you do with these. So that is 6.1. For 6.2, 6.2 is similar triangles. I'll wait for this to load. Oh, hang on. Okay, so here's 6.2. So VUT. Oh, well, first, yeah, so you have these sides and these angles. They are proportional. Oh, yeah, I can fit these both. Okay, let's go from here. So this side matches this side matches this side. So it's, and these angles are congruent. So this is side angle side congruence. I'm not congruent, similarity. And then this one is VML. This one is side 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 similarity because there's 3 sides. And then I actually don't know. I guess I have to scroll down. VUT, so it goes V to U to T. So it goes across the small side to the medium side. So here's the small side and the medium side. So the answer to this one is B, C, D. That's how these work. Once you get to further here, okay, so these are where you set up proportions. I can't fit multiple on the screen, so we'll just go from here. So for this one, you have line equals line. It's always how you start. Let's do 168. So 168 is AC. AC matches AN. So it goes to 70. Then x divided by 65. I'm going to try to make this easier on myself. 168 divided by 70. That reduces to 12 over 5. Make things easier. Equals x over 65. So 5x equals 65 times 12 is 780. 780 divided by 5 is 156. So x equals 156 for this one. Yeah, so these kind of all work the same way. You can fit these on the screen. So 8 and 9, find the missing length. So for 8, do line equals line. So the x matches up with 55. Let's just do 8. So 8 goes on top, 11 goes on bottom. So 11x equals 55 times 8, 440. Divided by 11, x equals 40. Then over here, right, these two numbers are on top, so I'm going to keep them on top. 35 is on the top shape, 45 is on the top shape. 35 is NL. NL matches RL, so it goes to 7. And 2x plus 1. 35 over 7 reduces to 5 over 1. Oh, that makes it easier. So 5 over 1 equals 45 over 2x plus 1. This can be 45 equals 10x plus 5. 40 equals 10x. And then x equals 4. Ta-da! So a lot of those are similar. Let's do this one. So we're solving for x. I'm just going to do it like it's set up here. Makes it easier for me. So 22 over 34x plus 7 equals 26 over 169. I'm going to reduce that, make it easier. Much easier. 22 over 34x plus 7 equals 2 over 13. So 13 times 22. So 2 34x plus 7 equals 13 times 22. So that's 68x plus 14 equals 286. Minus 14. So 68x equals 272. How about 68? You get x equals 4. All right, that is 6.2. All right, here's 6.3. So the good thing about these is like a lot of them are set up how you need to do them already. Like all of these are. It's like, man, kind of nice, huh? Okay, so here we go. These two equal these two. So 15 over x equals 9 over 12. I'm going to reduce that 9 over 12 because I like easy numbers. So 9 over 12, that reduces 3 over 4. So 15 over x equals 3 over 4. So 3x equals 60, and then x equals 20. X over 10 equals 3 over 5. So 3 times 10 is 30. 5 times x is 5x. So x equals 6. Easy. What else is on here? When you have ones like this, so x over, all right, so what's going on here? You have the top and the full. So it's going to be question mark over x, and then over here, it's 1, goes with that, but the whole thing, it's 3, because 1 plus 2 is 3. So 3x equals 6, x equals 2. Easy. 5 over 3 equals x over 6. So, come on. That's all you gotta do. That's all you gotta do. Are there any hard ones on here? Okay, so you have some that have the x. Okay, let's do these two. So 4 over 3 equals x over 6, right? You can take it from there, right? 3x equals 624. It's 8. Oh, okay. Well, I just gave you the answer. Whatever. So this is 20 here. 20. Because it adds up to 36? Yeah, it does. So there it is. This is going to be 35 divided by 8x minus 4 equals 20 over 16. 20 over 16. 5 over 4. That reduces to 5 over 4. So here it is, 35 times 4 equals 5 times 8x minus 4. 35 times 4 is 140 equals 40x minus 20. So it's going to be 160 equals 40x, and then x equals 4. Okay, so that was 6.3. Similar right triangles. So it starts with the geometric mean. Okay, let's do these two. So for geometric mean equals the square root of a times b. So it's the square root of 15 times 10. So the square root of 150. Square root of 150 is 12.2. For this one, you have m equals square root of a times b. This time it's 4 equals the square root of 2 times b. So you square both sides, you get 16 equals square root of b. No, that's not right. It equals 2b. Then you divide by 2. You get 8 equals b. So step 1, really your shortcut for this, So for number 5, you'll do x squared divided by a. That's how you do these. Then when you get down here, find the missing link. So you need the formulas now. How many of these are there? There's a lot. This one is a. What's a on mine might be different on yours. Okay, I can't fit that many on the screen. Let's do these. So this one, this is the long leg. Yeah. This is the long leg. This is part 2. This is, oh, actually, the picture is messed up. This is the short leg. So this is part 2, and this is part 1. So the formula for this, if I can find it on my board, for the short, it's part 1 over short equals short over the hypotenuse. So part 1 is 3 divided by x equals x divided by hypotenuse is the whole thing, so it's 9. So x squared equals 9 times 3 is 18. So x equals the square root of 18. So square root of 18 is 4.2. Okay, for this one, which formula has the hypotenuse? So this is the long. So use the long formula. Part 2 over long equals long over hypotenuse. So this is going to be 12 over, no, it's not, it's wrong. So this is going to be part 2 is 9 divided by 12 equals 12 over x. So 9x equals 144, and then you solve that. 144 divided by 9, it's 16. If you're lost about what I'm doing, where I'm getting these formulas, that's okay. If you go over here to the home page, the place I'm getting these formulas is... Actually, I don't know if it's on this chart. Let me see. It's definitely here. No, this is not on here. Okay, so it's going to be on OneNote. Loading screens. These are the formulas that I'm using. So you don't have these handy. These are really important. These are the labels that you use, and those are the formulas you use. So let's go back over here. Let's hit one of these ones at the end here. So let's hit this one for z. So z is the short. That's part 1, and that's part 2. So it's going to be, here's the formula. It's part 1 over short equals short over height. Oh wow, my hypotenuse. So part 1 is 3 divided by z equals z over 9. Oh, hey, we had this one earlier. So z squared equals 18. Z equals the square root of 18. So that's one we already did. 4.2. All right, that is all the Unit 6 work.